Hey guys, welcome to another episode on how to use ARI, Auto Repair Software. My name is Cameron, and here's what I have in store for you today.
Here's how ARI's Repair Assistant turns labor guides into a practical diagnostic conversation. From the home screen, open Labor Guides. Before asking anything, select the vehicle. Complete vehicle details help labor guides keep the answer tied to the right engine, transmission, drivetrain, and trim. Now open Repair Assistant. It confirms the vehicle and gives you starter questions, so you're not staring at a blank chat. Let's use a real shop complaint. This Explorer intermittently will not crank after a hot soak, but the battery tests good. We'll ask what to check first and in what order. Repair Assistant builds a vehicle-specific diagnostic path, including scan data checks, the difference between a click and no click, and voltage drop testing. This is where Labor Guides becomes more than a book time lookup. It helps organize the next test. Now give it the result from the bay. Full battery voltage at starter B+, but 0 volts at the S terminal during the failure. Because Repair Assistant keeps the conversation context, it narrows the problem toward the control circuit and lays out the next checks. For a third prompt, ask for a short bay-ready pass-or-fail plan. The answer turns the diagnosis into an ordered workflow a technician can follow while the fault is active. Repair Assistant also opens from contextual areas inside Labor Guides. On electrical and wiring, the Ask Question button can carry the selected vehicle, service, and component context into the chat, so you can ask about the exact circuit you're tracing without starting over. Use ARI Labor Guides and Repair Assistant to quote faster, diagnose with a clearer plan, and keep the repair conversation beside the job. As with any diagnostic aid, verify critical pinouts, specifications, safety steps, and high-voltage procedures against authoritative service information.